Hello guys, how are you? In this video, we are going to test a tool that I am very eager to try, which is the ability to clone a website using artificial intelligence, that is, to clone any website even if it is not ours. I have been testing this tool and I think it is amazing, which is why I want to try it out with you. Notice that it is also not expensive because for €10 per month, it not only allows you to clone it, but also to host it, meaning that it combines hosting and this cloning tool to turn any website into WordPress. As I mentioned, once you enter their website, which I will leave the link below, you click on Generate Website. 1. Once you click to generate a website, it asks you if you want to clone a website, or rather, if you want to create a website using artificial intelligence, or if you want to convert, that is, recreate, as you can see here, any website. You would click here, because I tell you that you would click here because in my case I have purchased it, so we are going to see how it works from the inside, but here you will create a free account. At no point will you be asked for money to make this recreation. It is only when you want to modify or edit that website that it costs money. However, you can see how the website is cloned at no cost. But well, since I've bought it, let's check how it works. I haven't tried it, so you'll see me a bit hesitant, but let's click on Generate Site. As you can see here, the menu changes because it tells me that I have this package, so in this case, we are going to see how it works. Let's click here to see where to clone. Here we can see that it asks me if I want to create a page with artificial intelligence, migrate a website I have, or create a blank website. In other words, I want to use artificial intelligence, and I'm going to call it Live Demo. Here I would choose where I want my server to be, in my case Belgium. I'm going to put Live Demo here, and here I'm going to put Oscar, and I'm going to have it generate it for me and copy it. I click on Create. I click on Save so I don't forget it. And it is generating my web hosting space, so let's wait for this to finish. 2001. Here it is already done, so let's see what we have achieved. Here I have the website, and it asks me if I want to generate it with artificial intelligence or if I should insert the URL of the desired design. I click here, and in this case I am going to take one from Backlinko to see what the page of a very famous SEO is. So here I am going to give the URL and I will put my SEO website 2001 and we click on Recreate. He tells us that he has finished. Let's see what has happened. Here we have the website. Remember that we are cloning this one. Let's see if it looks similar. We can already see that it uses Elementor for the construction and layout. Here we can see that it has created the website for us. Notice that it is practically the same. I would need to put one next to the other to compare, but the good thing is that not only has it created it for me, but here where the text is, of course, I can change it and put whatever I want. Anything. Here you can see that I change it in real time, and here we can see that we have the design with all its layers and everything. All designed by what seems to me to be a tool that is going to gain a lot of strength because, of course, it is not the same to start from scratch as we also saw in the ZipWP video where we could create a page with artificial intelligence, and it was very good. The truth is that the ability to clone a page we like takes this to another level, and not only that, but if you enjoy the video, we can watch more videos about 10 websites because you can see that here we can write with artificial intelligence in each of the parts of Elementor. So we can see that, as I mentioned, this way of working is interesting because it works with WordPress, which is a tool we all know, and, on top of that, it adds its own plugin to be able to clone any website. You can see that I am in Elementor, in WordPress with Elementor and with a plugin of their own that we have used to duplicate the main page of the large backlinko in no time, which is incredibly interesting. It has left me speechless. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. See you in the next video. Goodbye.